Hey everybody, Nathan here with NathanSoliday.com, and I wanted to put together a short video for those of you that are renting your home currently that may be thinking about buying a house, and you're not quite sure how much a house payment would be and what you could qualify for. So I wanted to kind of give you an idea of what kind of payment you would be looking at based on your current rent amount that you pay. So for example, on this one, I put together an example of $850 a month in rent. And then I just kind of translated that over into how much of a house that you could buy or a house payment that you could buy for that same rental payment. So in this situation, you'd basically be looking at a $125,000 home when you think about that. So $125,000 house, when you include in the principal and the interest on your payment, plus the taxes and insurance with that, property taxes and homeowners insurance, you're going to be looking at a payment right in the $850 mark in that range. And we may be off a few dollars here, but I've got that calculated on a 30-year term with an APR in the 5.475 range in that ballpark. But this would be with a zero down payment loan. So we've got several different zero down payment options, especially if you have a 600 credit score or better. This may work for you. So if you're watching this video on our website, look over in the right-hand side of the screen and you'll see a little home buyer quiz on there. Fill out that quiz. It'll take you just 30, 60 seconds to do that. And then I'll be notified, and I can put together a few numbers for you on what you may qualify for. And keep in mind when you do that, we will reach out to you. So kind of be expecting a text or an email or both, just because we know that if you have an interest in that we love to help you if we can. So do that form. If you're watching this on Facebook or on YouTube, then just click on our link below the video. You can go to our website and do a full application, and we'll do a free credit check for you and put some numbers together and let you know exactly what you may be looking at based on your current rent from a housing standpoint. So do those things. Let me know if you have any questions at all. You can email me or message me on Facebook. I'll be happy to help, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.